Okay, so far we have our finger joints cut. They're square and they're flush. That's one style of doing it. And I want to show you a little variation that makes these joints a little bit more interesting and also will hide little inconsistencies in the fit, which you're likely to get when you're making this out of this soft pine like I am. I've set my small router up with an 1/8" round over bit. It's going to make a little round edge when I run this across the wood here, and I'll show you what that does. That rounds our fingers off a little bit. I'm going to do the same thing to this other. I'm just using a couple of scrap blocks to do this, so it's not going to be complete when I put it together, but it'll show you.